Landscape vs. portrait. Do not hold your smartphone vertically unless you are filming an Instagram story or Facebook Live video. Film videos in landscape mode. This is ideal for YouTube, Vimeo and Facebook uploads. Look into the lens. This is where the mic is situated. This is where you will find the lens. Remember to always look into the lens. Stabilizing your smartphone. Avoid shaky shots. Try to stabilize your phone. Boxes or even a stack of books can be used as a tripod. Try using a sturdy object as a smartphone stand. Try to place your smartphone at eye level. You always want to engage your viewer at eye level. Do not place your smartphone below your eye line. It will look as if you are speaking down to your viewer. Do not film from above. Nobody wants to see the floor behind you. Background. Ensure that your background is not distracting. The background should add to the video content. Lighting. The light should not be behind you, it should be in front of you. Sound. Before you start filming, close all windows and doors to block out external noise. Turn off all devices that may make a noise or create a buzz. Try to make your environment as quiet as possible. If you are situated too far away from your smartphone, you will sound very distant. For optimal sound, try to sit no less than 1 meter from your smartphone.
When you were recording off of your smartphone.